So a big shout out to Mitchell for fixing my Commodore 64C. Thank you so much. I'm practically speechless. I don't know what else to say, but a huge thank you. And I hooked up my 1541 and it worked perfectly out the gate, and I loaded up a copy of the Commodore 64 Super Mario that he gave me. It's right there, and I'm gonna play it with one of the gamepads. I actually made one for myself finally. This one's got the map button for up for button 2, so it makes it a lot easier to play the game. He's suffering from the sprite congestion, but it's still amazing to play this. Thank you so much, Mitchell.